Hi, in this episode of Tech90, I'm going to continue from our last. If you will recall, the last Tech90 I sent out, I showed you guys how to create drop-down chips in an existing Google Sheet. I'm going to show you how to turn an existing Google Sheet information into a table. It's really simple. So you're going to highlight, let's move this stuff out of the way. You're going to highlight the text, the cells, the rows, and you're going to simply go to Format, and you're going to come down to Convert to Table, and voila, you have now a table that you can still edit, but it looks super pretty, easy to see.